Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your Grok AI account. So first and foremost, you just have to simply go to any web browser, log into your Grok account, and then here what you're going to do is you have to locate your profile at the bottom left corner. So you have to scroll down here, tap this one, and then you have to locate settings. So tap this one right here. Now here you will see your account. So what you're going to do is you have to click this manage button right here to manage your account. So it will take you to this page where you can see your personal account information. So if you want to change something here, then you can just basically change. If you want to connect your social media account, everything is here. But in your account, you cannot see here your delete account. So in order for you to see your delete account, you have to click this data right here. Tap this one. Then you will see two options, and here it is. So if you want to delete your Grok account permanently, just tap on the delete button right here, but make sure that you have read all the information. This is what it looks like. So you have to read the following here. And in order for you to really or completely delete your Grok account, then what you're going to do is you have to add your email address again and then proceed with the deletion of your account. Now you have to take a note that you can restore your account within 30 days if you want, but after 30 days, if you haven't reactivated or restore your account, then your Grok account will be permanently removed. So basically, that's how easy it is. That's how to permanently delete your Grok AI account. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.